Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I will be in this video showing you how I'll be decorating my Currently page for the month of April in 2021. And this has quickly become one of my favorite videos to film because it is just fun, exciting. It means that there's a new month. There's not any pressure to make it perfect. And it just always ends up way beyond what I pictured. So I've just really come to love making my Currently page. So on this particular divider, it is like purple and then there was like some yellow rain boots, and I thought it would be fun to, by tying in the yellow on the other side, I use lemons. So I'm using the Cool to Be Kind sticker book, and it has a page of these lemons. There are like slices and then also like whole lemons. So I start out by whiting out the full page other than the April on top. And then from there, I start to put down some of the boxes. So I, like a lot of others, use these Currently pages as a cool way to look back on and see what I'm doing in a particular month, like what my life looks like, kind of like in a snapshot. So I like to put currently loving, currently thankful for, currently thinking about, currently singing, listening, watching to, things like that. And in my actually monthly view and my weekly view this week, I was using the new spring sticker book, well, new to me. And I had noticed that I had a Currently Loving sticker in there, so I cut those apart. So I was able to put Currently up at the top. And then this sticker, Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy, I cannot even tell you how long I've been hoarding this sticker. I think it is so cute. First of all, my favorite font ever, and it goes obviously perfect with my lemon spread. So I decided to part with it and finally use it, and I am so happy with how it looks. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. So I am flipping through a few different colorful books to find all sorts of different variations of yellow boxes and sticking those down. I like to do at least 5 to 8, somewhere in between there, of boxes to put down, different ideas. So at this point, I had found a few smaller boxes, but not that many big ones. So just trying to count them out, see how to place them down, so on and so forth. So I decided to pull this skinny one off and layer it with that one down at the bottom so that I could use this one with a cute arch. It's just super cute. So put that down, and then I put loving, making, grateful, let's see, singing, dreaming, and thinking. And that was from the Tiny book. Tiny is from a long time ago. I also, in this student book, had lots more lemons. So sticking those down to, obviously add more cuteness. And then also from Happy Illustrations, which is another really good decorative book, I found this lemon box. So I thought that would be cute to kind of layer down, add more variety. And there's not much else I want to do other than maybe fill in. I am a no white space planner. I just can't help it. If I see open space, I want to fill it. So I thought this cute Think Happy, Be Happy sticker would be fun. So I cut that in half, and so that I could fit it in the middle. Once I stick it down, that line that's under the Be Happy, I wanted to cut off and put under the Think Happy part. You'll see how I do that. I just thought it was better that way. Other than that, honestly, just doing the last few touches of some more lemons, but that's pretty much it. I'll pop it back in the discs for y'all. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.